In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Affiliate of Constant Contact. The first thing you need to do is log into your affiliate account dashboard. This will usually be through Impact or whichever affiliate platform you used when you applied to the program. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main layout. Most affiliate platforms organize everything into sections for links, assets, reporting, and account details. Knowing where these areas are will make the rest of the process much easier. Next, find your unique affiliate link. In most dashboards, this will be located under a section called Assets, Links, or something similar. This link is important because it is what tracks the traffic and signups that come from your promotions. Make sure you are copying the correct link from your own account, since this is what connects any referrals and commissions back to you. If the platform offers different types of links, choose the one that best matches where you plan to share it. Once you have your affiliate link, start placing it into your marketing channels. You can add it to your website, include it in blog posts, use it in social media updates, or place it inside email marketing newsletters. The key is to put the link in places where your audience is already engaging with your content. Try to make the placement feel natural and relevant to the topic you are discussing. That helps create a better experience for your audience and can improve the chance of getting clicks. After that, create content that encourages people to use your link. This can include reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides that explain what Constant Contact offers and who it is useful for. Focus on being clear and helpful. Show your audience how the platform can solve a problem or support their goals. Then guide them toward clicking your link to sign up for a trial or choose a plan. Content that is informative and specific usually performs better than content that feels overly promotional. Finally, keep an eye on your results by checking your affiliate dashboard regularly. This is where you can monitor clicks, sign-ups, and any commissions you have earned. Tracking performance helps you understand which content and channels are working best. Over time, this can help you improve your strategy and focus more on the methods that bring the strongest results. That covers everything you need to know.